Hey, so we did Six of Pentacles again. So I wanted to provide an example of a really good tool, meditation tool, to release the tension around giving and receiving. If we keep getting this card as a collective, that means we all need it. So let's do it. Let's do this guided visualization. The affirmation we're working on, we're going from I have nothing left to I nurture myself. And applying past tense to your third chakra. If you have it, if not, just put your hand on your third chakra and give yourself a big breath and imagine that we're walking down this beautiful path. You could just watch us walk down this beautiful path today and breathe. And we're going to allow ourselves to keep breathing. Give yourself a nice big breath. And we're going down the path, going to meet that part of ourselves that is all conflicted about giving and receiving, that there's tension. Something about giving and receiving tells you you have nothing left to give. Greeting that tree, the oak tree, for some strength to go inward. Looking at the cliffs and thinking about where have I put up barriers to giving and receiving. This might be a good time to just feel where you have some tension in your body around that. The cards are suggesting in the third chakra, your center of will. And there, we are now down. And we're wondering if this is something old that is no longer of use to you anymore, or it needs to be refurbished. What is cluttering your path? Campsite. What can you burn up? What can you let go of? So that when you emerge, you can always pause the video and just walk with yourself, your inner self, and allowing yourself to feel that tension about giving and receiving. Is there a voice that's trying to express itself? Holding yourself gently, holding yourself with love. If you have past tense or an oil that has, what does it have in it? It has lavender and wintergreen, frankincense. Breathe that in. Keep breathing. Maybe swinging your arms back and forth. Maybe patting your shoulders on the clavicle so that you feel a little safer around giving and receiving. There's definitely some energy there. Just don't feel like you have anything left, but you'd like to take steps on a path of being involved in giving or earning or receiving. For me, my message was, it was to let go of having to control the way that money comes in. That was my message. And I'll be applying this past tense over my third chakra. because I need to release the need to control how the money comes in, and feeling safe around that. The reason I use the oils is I'm an essential oil coach, and the oils really help to bring you into the desired mental feeling state faster than just without them. They're an anchor for the good feelings, for that feeling of release. So as you walk with yourself up this path, want to feel safe, expressing joy in giving and joy in receiving. So what are you grateful for today as you step up? What is it that you already have? Taking a nice little view around your life, taking assessment of the things that you do have that you could share, and feeling grateful really opens up safety. Maybe taking stock of what income is already coming in, writing it down in a journal. What are the pieces of income washing up on the shore for me? How am I gaining more safety in giving and receiving as I think about what I already have, what's been given to me? And as we get to the top, feeling that you can nurture yourself throughout the day by just being grateful and ready to step out onto your road, grateful and ready to give and receive and be in the flow and get yourself into that inner earth feeling. I hope this helped. Have a wonderful day in